My name is Rupesh Kumar. I am from Government Polytechnic Narayankhet. Designation L lecturer in ECE. I am dealing with the subject Digital Electronics, 4th semester EEE 18E4050C Combinational Logic Circuits. Today's topic is Combinational Logic Circuits. Subtopic is Multiplexers and Demultiplexers. Teaching aids, animations and images. Okay, concept is multiplexer and demultiplexer. In earlier classes we have discussed about serial adder, parallel adder, comparison of serial and parallel adder. On completion of this period you would be able to know operation of 4x1 multiplexer and operation of 1x4 multiplexer, 4x1 multiplexer and 1x4 multiplexer, demultiplexer. Most important thing in this is what is meant by multiplexer and what is meant by demultiplexer. Here multiplexer is a data selector circuit that has several data input lines and only one single output line. Demultiplexer is reverse of that. It is also demultiplexer is a logic circuit that performs a reverse multiplexer operation. Multiplexer receives the information on a single line and transmit information in several output lines. Already learned that multiplexer has several input lines but only one single output line. But demultiplexer has only one single input line but several output lines. Major difference between is the action which is done by multiplexer is the reverse of the demultiplexer. Here multiplexer. Multiplexer means which selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line. It is a device which selects binary information from one of many input lines and direct it to a single output line. It is also known as the data selector circuit. Data selector circuit. Selection is controlled by a particular set of input lines whose number depends on the number of data lines. For a 2 power n to 1 multiplexer, there are 2 power n data input lines and n selection lines whose data input combination determines which input is selected. See, multiplexer, it selects binary information from one of many input lines. It selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line, also known as the data selector circuit. Selection is controlled by a particular set of input lines whose number depends on the number of data input lines. Whose number depends on the number of data input lines. For a 2 power n to 1 multiplexer, there are 2 power n data input lines and n selection lines whose bit combination determines which input is selected. Whose bit combination determines whose input is selected. It is known as the multiplexer. Consider an integer m which is constrained by the following relation, that is m equal to 2 power n where m and n are both integers. A m to 1 multiplexer has m inputs 0, d0, d1, d2, dash 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 to I d m minus 1 and one output is y. N control input, that is s0, s1, s2, dash 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 sn minus 1. One or more enabled inputs such that y may be equal to one of the inputs depending upon the control inputs. Y may be equal to the one of the inputs depending upon the control inputs. Consider an integer m which constrained by the following relation: m equal to 2 power n, where m and n are both integers. A m to 1 multiplexer has m inputs d0, d1, d2 dash 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 I m minus 1, 1 output y, n control input, that is s0, s1, s2 dash 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 sn minus 1. One or more enable inputs such that y may be equal to the one of the inputs depending upon the control inputs. Here figure shows the 4 into 1 multiplexer. Here 4 input lines and 1 enable and 2 select lines, S0, S1, and data output is 1. Here we are taking 4 input lines and 1 enable 1 and input select lines is S1, S0 and data output. This is the clear cut diagram of 4 into 1 multiplexer. Please make a note of it, most important one. Draw the diagram of 4 into 1 multiplexer, most important one. Please make a note of it. Draw correctly. Okay, completed. Next one. Here I have given that if the mux is enabled, okay, S1, S0, we are taking 2 inputs as input select lines, that is S1, S0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 4 inputs are D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay. If select lines inputs are 0, that is code 21 is 0, 0, that is y equal to D0. If input lines are 1, that is 0, 1, y equal to D1. If input lines are 1, 0, y equal to D2. If input lines are 1, 1, y equal D3. Putting the above information in the form of a Boolean equation, we get y equal to S1 bar S0 bar plus S1 bar S0 plus S1 S0 bar plus S1 S0. It is the Boolean equation for the mux. Here I have drawn the 4 into 1 mux gate level diagram. See here functional table also given. S1 S0, Y 0 0 is D0, 0 1 is D1, D1 0 is D2, 1 1 D3. Here input lines are S0 S1 as well as the inputs are input select lines are S0 S1. Here we are taking these input lines with the help of the inverters. S0 has one inverter and S1 has one inverter, as well as we are taking the input lines, that is D0, D1, D2, D3, and we have taken 4 AND gates and 1 OR gate for getting the output. Here for first AND gate we are giving S1 bar, S0 bar and D0. For D1, S1 bar, S0 and D1. For third one, S1, S0 bar, D2. For fourth one, S1, S0, D3. If S0, S1 are 0, 0, we get the output D0. If S1, S0 are 0, 1, we get the output D1. If S1 equal to 1, S0 equal to 0, we get the output D2. If S0 equal to 1 and S1 equal to 1, we get the output D3. Please make a note of it. It is clear cut diagram of 4 into 1 mux gate level. Please draw the diagram, the most important one. It may be given in your examination also, 3 marks question. Please make a note of it. Please draw the diagram fastly. I will repeat this, but please make a note of it. Draw the diagram clearly. Most important one. You will score good marks in this digital electronics because very simple subject. Please listen when I am telling to you. Okay. Now it is demultiplexer. A decoder with an enable input can also function as a demultiplexer. A decoder with a enable input can also function as a demultiplexer. It is a logic circuit that performs a reverse multiplexer operation. It is a logic circuit that performs a reverse multiplexer function. The demultiplexer is a circuit that receives information on a single line and transmits this information on several output lines output lines. See, already we learned that multiplexer, it has only one several input lines, only one output line. But for demultiplexer, it has a single line, but output is several output lines. Here 1 line to 4 line demultiplexer or 1 into 4 demultiplexer is given to you. It contains one data input E and two select lines S0, S1 and 4 outputs D0, D1, D2, D3. It contains one data input E and two select lines S0, S1 and 4 outputs D0, D1, D2, D3. The data input information is directed to only one of the output lines as specified by the binary value of the two select lines S0, S1. Okay, the data input information is directed to only one of the output lines as specified by the binary value of the two select lines S0 and S1. It is the logic symbol for demultiplexer. E is the data input and data select lines are S0 and S1. Demultiplexer 1 into 4. Outputs are D0, D1, D2, D3 data output lines. Okay, it is the logic symbol for demultiplexer. Please draw the diagram of logic symbol. Please make a note of it. Truth table. Here data select inputs are S0 and S1. Data output selected is D0, D1, D2, D3. Here it is also following the same structure of before one, but here select inputs S1, S0, 00 is D0, 01 D1, 10 D2 and 11 D3. Here we are also taking 0, 1, 2, 3 as inputs and binary variation of data is 0 is 00, 1 is 01, 2 is 10 and 3 is 11. Consider the logic circuit of 1 into 4 demultiplexer. The input data line goes to all of the AND gates. The two select lines enable only one gate at a time, and data appear on the input line will pass through the selected gate of the associated output line. Okay, it can be clearly explained in the in the diagram. See here, when both the inputs are high, we get the output D3. When both the inputs are low, we get the output D0. When both the inputs are different, that is 0 1 means D1 and 1 0 means D2. Okay, it is the representation of demultiplexer. Now quiz. The circuit that selects one of 8 inputs is known as one into 8 multiplexer. It is known as 1 into 8 multiplexer. It is C is the answer. Multiplexer has one data output and number of data inputs. Multiplexer has one data output and number of data inputs. In multiplexer with 4-bit data select input is 4 into 1 multiplexer. Multiplexer with n bit 2 power n and 16. So 2 power n bit multiplexer data select input is 16:1 multiplexer. 2 power 0 2 power 4 2 2 2 4 2 4 2 get it to 16. 16:1 multiplexer. Answer is C. A 4 variable logic expression can be realized by using only one demultiplexer. Frequently asked questions, that is define the multiplexer. Second one, explain the working of 4 into 1 multiplexer and explain the working of 1 into 4 multiplexer. Important assignment, it is the applications of multiplexer. Please go through the internet and give the information regarding the applications of multiplexer. This is the information regarding the multiplexer. Once again, I am repeating the concept of multiplexer and demultiplexer in a simple way. Okay, please make a note of the things which I am telling to you. First of all, I am telling the what is meant by multiplexer. Please write on the notebook that what is meant by multiplexer, that is definition of multiplexer. Please make a note of it. Multiplexer is a logic circuit that has several data input lines and transmission is done only through single output line. It is a logic circuit that has several data input lines and a single output line. Several data input line and a single output line. It is nothing but a multiplexer. The other name of multiplexer is data selector circuit. The other name of multiplexer is data selector circuit. Once again, I am repeating the multiplexer definition. It is a logic circuit that has several data input lines and a single output line. Next one is definition of demultiplexer. Demultiplexer is a logic circuit that receives information on a single line and transmits the information on several output lines. It is a circuit that receives the information on a single line and transmits the information in several output lines. Clearly write the definition. Demultiplexer means it is a logic circuit that receives information on a single input line and transmits that information on several output lines. Okay, all of you clearly written it. Next one is multiplexer consists of data selects input that permits digital data on any one of the inputs to be switched to the output line. that it also consists data select inputs. We already know that for multiplexer it has data select inputs as well as enabled input that permits digital data on any one of the inputs to the switcher to the output line. Today we will learn about the 4x1 multiplexer. The logic symbol for a 4 input multiplexer is shown in the figure. 4x1 multiplexer is shown in the figure. Note that two data select lines, because with two select bits each of the 4 data input lines can be selected, so that S0, S1 are the two data select inputs that allows the data on the corresponding data input to pass through the data output as shown in the table. If binary 0 when S1 equal to S0 equal to 0 is applied to the data select lines, the data on input D0 appears on the data output line. See here, we are giving S1, S2 equal to 0. We are giving S1, S2 equal to 0. It is applied to the data select lines. The data on input D0 will appear on the data output line. If binary 1, that is when S1 equal to 0 and S0 equal to 1, that is it is applied to the data select lines, the data on input D1 appears on the data output. Similarly, when S1 equal to 1 and S0 equal to 0 are applied to D2, D2 appears on the data output. D2 appears on the data output. Okay. Next one, when S1 equal to 1 and S0 equal to 1 is applied, that is D3 appears on the data output. Here I have drawn the diagram for the logic circuit which can develop as a 4x1 multiplexer. Note that the output of the multiplexer is equal to the state of the select data output. Okay. Already given the truth table, that is S1, S0 are the inputs and Y is the output. 0, 0 means D0, 0, 1 means D1, 0, 2 means 0, 1, 0 means D2 and 1, 1 means D1. Here I have derived the Boolean expression of this one by one inputs, that is 0, 0 means, that is let Y is the data input and it is equal to the data input D0. If S1 equal to 0 and S0 equal to 0, then Y equal to D0 S1 bar S0 bar. The data input Y is equal to D1 if and only if S1 equal to 0 and S2 equal to 1. That is Y equal to D1 S1 bar S0. S1 bar S0. We get the Boolean expression that Y equal to D1 S1 bar S0. Similarly, we can determine the data outputs, that is Y is equal to D2 if and only if S1 equal to 1 and S0 equal to 0. We get the Y equal to D2 S1 S0 bar. Next one, if the output is D3, then S1 equal to 1 and S0 equal to 1. We get the output Y equal to D3 S1 bar S1 S0. If all the expressions are ordered together using a OR gate, the total expression is given that Y equal to D0 S1 bar S0 bar plus D1 S1 bar S0 plus D2 S1 bar S0 bar plus D3 S1 S0. Now let us implement the different logic gates of the expression, and we have the logic diagram for the 4x1 multiplexer. It is the logic diagram for the 4x1 multiplexer. Here we have given the inputs S0, S1, D0, D1, D2, D3 for all the AND gates, and AND gates output is given to the one OR gate, or from the OR gate we get the actual output y. Actual output y. That is, here we are giving inverter outputs to the input sections also. That is, for the first AND gate we have given 0 0 as the input as well as D0 as the input. If we select 0 0, we get the output y as D0. If we select 0 1 for us, that is S0 equal to 0, S1 equal to 1, we get the output D1, that is y equal to D1. If we select S0 equal to 1 and S1 equal to 0, we get the output D2. If we select D3, that is S1 equal to 1 and S0 equal to 1, we get the output y equal to D3. Okay, diagram is the most important one. Please make a note of it. We can draw 8x1 multiplexer also. Here in this 8x1 multiplexer, inputs are D0 to D7 and data select inputs are D0, D1 and D3. Okay, that is input 0, 1 and 2. And actual data inputs are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Only one single output, that is y equal to data output. Here the representation is same like that of the first one. Truth table is also same, but here there are 3 select input, S2, S1, S0 and only one data select input, that is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Inputs for this is here 0 0 0 is, it is nothing but D0, 0 0 1 is D1, 0 1 0 is D2, 0 1 1 is D3, 1 0 0 is D4, 1 1 1 is D7, 1 0 1 is D5, 1 1 0 is D6, 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 is D5, 1 1 0 is D6 and 1 1 1 is D7. Okay, here I will show the diagram. Please make a note of it, please, or take a snapshot of it. Okay, I will increase the okay. Now you can see it. Draw the diagram of the 8x1 multiplexer as well as the truth table. I will send it in your WhatsApp group. Please make a note of it. 8x1 multiplexer also. Please draw the diagram also. I will inform you the total expression for the data output y also, that is y equal to D0, S0 bar, S1 bar, S2 bar plus D1, S0, S1 bar, S2 bar plus D2, S bar, S1, S0 bar plus D3, S0, S1, S2 bar plus D4, S0 bar, S1 bar, S2, D3, S0, S1 bar, S2 plus D4, D6, S0 bar, S1, S2 and D1, S0, S1, S2. By implementing different logic gates, we will have the above expression. Then the logic diagram for 8x1 multiplexer is, here we are taken 8 AND gates and 3 inverters and 1 OR gate for getting the output. Here inputs are S0, S1, S2 are data inputs, data select inputs, and inputs are D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. It is the diagram for the 8x1 multiplexer. Please make a note of it. I will send it in your WhatsApp group also. Okay. One more question is there, applications of multiplexers. I forgot to get it in your slide. Please make a note of it. I will tell to you one by one. Applications of multiplexer. It is also given as a assignment to you, and kindly note in your test notebook and write it in the assignment book. Multiplexers are used in various fields of communication. Multiplexers are used in various fields of communication whenever multiple data or inputs need to be transmitted using a single line or path. Following are some of the applications of multiplexer. Multiplexers are used to send more information in only one single line. First one, digital and analog communication system. First application of multiplexer is digital and analog communications. Second one, telephone network. Second one is telephone network. Here clearly I can explain that we have in telephone network many signals are transmitting, but when we do a phone we are getting only one single line. That is multiplexing more number of inputs into a one single output. Third one is computer memory circuits. Fourth one is 7-segment display units. 7-segment display means 0 to 7 LED lights will be. According to that we can generate the 7-segment digital circuits. Next one, data transmission to all types of computer networks. Next, 7-segment display units. Digital counter with multiple inputs. Digital counters with multiple inputs. Transmission from the computer system of a satellite. Okay. First one, digital and analog communication system. First one, all of you write in your notebook, digital and analog communication system. Second one, 7-segment display units. Digital counters with multiple inputs. Telephone network. Computer memory units or circuits. Data transmission through all types of computer networks. Next, transmission from the computer system of a satellite. Next one, it is also not taken in your slides. That is important question. Give the IC numbers of TTL and CMOS multiplexers. Give the IC numbers of TTL and CMOS multiplexer. For TTL multiplexers, make a note of it. TTL multiplexers IC numbers are 74153. It is a 4x1 mux. 74153 is a IC number. Next one, 74151. It is 8x1 mux. 74151 is a 8x1 mux. Next, CMOS multiplexers 4539 4x1 mux and 4512 8x1 mux. 4539 is 8x1 mux and 4x1 mux, and 4512 is 8x1 mux. Okay. TTL multiplexer is 74153 4x1 mux. Next, 74151 8x1 mux, and 4531 is CMOS multiplexer, that is 4x1 mux, and 4512 is 8x1 mux. These are the several IC numbers for the TTL and CMOS multiplexers. Now we are learning about the demultiplexer. Demultiplexer is a logic circuit that implements a reverse multiplexer function. Demultiplexer is a logic circuit that implements a reverse multiplexer function. The demultiplexer is a logic circuit that receives information on a single line and transmits this information on a single output line. Several output lines. Demultiplexer is a logic circuit that implements a reverse multiplexer function. The demultiplexer is a logic circuit that receives information on a single line and transmits the information on several output lines. Make a note of it. Demultiplexer is a logic circuit that implements a reverse multiplexer function. The demultiplexer is a logic circuit that receives information on a single line and transmits that information on several output lines. Most important definitions: multiplexer and demultiplexer, as well as the application of multiplexer also. Here I have given the 1 into 4 multiplexer. Its input lines are S0, S1. Data input is E and data select lines are S0, S1 and outputs are D0, D1, D2, D3. 1:4, that is 1 into 4 demultiplexer. It is the logic symbol of demultiplexer, that is 1 into 4 demultiplexer. If anyone want to draw, please make a note of it. Okay. Here I have given the truth table also. S1, S0, that is 0, 0. If we give the D0, 0, that is data is enabled, means D0 will be get as output. 1, 1, that is D1 and G1, 0, D2 and 1, 1, D3. Okay. Here consider the logic circuit of 1 into 4 demultiplexer. The input line E goes to all the AND gates. See here, input lines are goes to the all the AND gates, and 2 select lines enables only one gate at a time. 2 select lines, that is S0, S1, will be enabled only one gate at a time. The data appearing on the input line will pass through the selected gate to the associated output line. Okay. Now I give the brief information regarding the 1 into 8 demultiplexer. 1 into 8 demultiplexer, that is one into 8 demultiplexer is, the logic symbol of this is shown in the figure. I will show the diagram for you. It contains only data input E and 3 select lines S2, S1, S0 and 8 outputs D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. D6, D7. The data input is directed to only one output lines as specified by the binary value of the 3 select lines S0, S1 and S2. Data input line is most important one. If it is enabled for any one of the 3 inputs of binary input line which is specified by the 3 inputs S0, S1 and S2, that output value is displayed on the output Y. Okay. It is the diagram for the 1 into 8 multiplexer. I will give a screenshot of this and send it to your WhatsApp group. Okay. In this, for these 3 inputs 1:8 demultiplexer, S2, S1, S0 are 3 input data select inputs and data input is E and data output selected is also given here. Here 3 inputs are given by with the help of the 4 to 1 code. 0, 0, 0 as D0, 0, 0, 1 as D1, 0, 1, 0 is D2, 0, 1, 1 is D3, 1, 0, 0 is D4, 1, 0, 1 is D5, 1, 1, 0 is D6, 1, 1, 1 is D7. Here logic expression for each data output in terms of data input E and data select input S0, S1, S2 can be derived as below, that is D0 equal to E1 E into S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 bar, because inputs are 0 0 0. D1, that is E into S2 bar, S1 bar, S0. D2 E into S21 bar, S1, S0 bar. D3 E into S2 bar, S1, S0. D4 E into S2, S1 bar, S0 bar. D3 E into S2, S1 bar, S0. D6 E into S1, S2, S0 bar. D7 E into S2, S1, S0. Okay. From the above logic expressions, the logic circuit 1:1 demultiplexer can be constructed below. The data input E as a connected to E line connected to the inputs of AND gates, and 3 select lines enable only one AND gate at a time. Then the data input E will be passed through the selected AND gate to the respective outline. Select inputs are with 3 inverters and 8 AND gates are available. There is no output Y. Here one AND gate is a one output. Okay. Here it is the diagram for the demultiplexer 1x8 demultiplexer. I will send it in WhatsApp group. It is not clearly shown. If S1, S2, S1, S0 is all are zeros, that is D0. 0 0 1 means D1. 0 1 0 is D2. 0 1 1 is D3. 1 0 0 is D4. 1 0 1 is D5. 1 1 0 is D0. 1 1 1 is D7. It is the explanation of 1x8 demultiplexer. I will send the data regarding the 1x8 demultiplexer also. Please make a note of it. If I do not send, please remember me. Applications of demultiplexers. Demultiplexers are used to connect a single source line to the multiple destination lines. Single line to multiple destination lines is demultiplexer. Following are some of the applications of demultiplexer. First one, digital and analog communication system. Both multiplexer and demultiplexer same thing. Digital and analog communication systems. Second one is serial to parallel converters. Serial to parallel converter is a most important one. Arithmetic logic units of the computing units. ALU of the computing units, most important one. Fourth one is data transmission networks. Next, computer network communication and digital multiple display units. Digital multiple display units also. Applications of demultiplexer. Once again I am repeating, digital and analog communication systems. Next, serial to parallel converters. Next, data transmission networks. Arithmetic logic units of the computing units. Computer network communication. Digital multiple display units. Digital multiple display units. These are the 6 applications. Analog and digital communication systems. Arithmetic logic units of the computing units. Serial and parallel converters. Data transmission networks. Computer network communication. Digital multiple display units. These are the 6 inputs, 6 applications. Please make a note of it. I will send it in your WhatsApp group also. Next but not the least, IC numbers of TTL and CMOS demultiplexers. TTL demultiplexers are 74155, that is 124 DMUX. 74138 1x8 DMUX. Next, CMOS demultiplexers 4556 1x4 DMUX. 4554 1x8 DMUX. Okay. TTL demultiplexers are 74155 1x4 DMUX. 74138 1x8 DMUX. CMOS demultiplexers are 4556 1x4 demultiplexer. 4554 1x8 demultiplexer. This is the information regarding the demultiplexer 1x4 and demultiplexer 1x8. I will check if any information is there. I will inform to you. Please Don't make any noise. Okay. Most important man, don't confuse. Multiplexer is 4 into 1. Demultiplexer is 1 into 4. If you confuse and write this answer to that answer to this, you will lose marks. Please open your mind and please concentrate on your studies and get good score in your examination. Most important one is definitions of multiplexer, logic diagrams of multiplexer, logic symbol of multiplexer, and Boolean expressions, as well as two tables of multiplexer, applications and IC numbers. Demultiplexer also same concepts, but in reverse concepts. Please make a note of it and clearly write in your notebook and complete the assignment in time. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now or while tomorrow also next session will be there. Please make a note of it and kindly get a good result. Thank you. Thank you for hearing my class. Once again I am repeating the quiz also. The circuit that selects one of the 8 inputs is 188 multiplexer. Multiplexer has one data output and number of data inputs. Multiplexer 4 bit data is 16 into 1 multiplexer. 4 variable logic expression can be realized by demultiplexer. 16 into 1 multiplexer. Okay, this is the quiz, frequently asked questions and SM. Please do all the things correctly and read today only. If you haven't read it, you can ask tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for hearing my class.